How to withdraw from Wise to bank account. Need to move money from Wise to your bank account? Let's do it step by step. So first, go ahead and log into Wise. Then from here, click on this send button, which should basically find under your total balance. And then go ahead and click on this add button at the top right. Select the currency you want to use for transferring. Now select bank details and then select to whom you want to send this money to, and then go ahead and select bank name. So click on this bank name button and then you can go ahead and search from this available list the bank where you want to withdraw your money from Wise. Now enter your account number. Now once you click on next, you can go ahead and proceed on adding the amount of money you want to send to the specific individual along with the Wise fees that you can pay for to send the money. And that is how to withdraw from Wise to bank account.